How to clear Lalal.ai browser cache. First of all, open your web browser where you access Lalal.ai. Next, go to your browser settings or preferences. This is usually found in the menu at the top right corner. Look for the section related to privacy or browsing data. Find the option to clear browsing data or cache. Make sure to select cached images and file. You can also choose to clear cookies if you want to remove saved site data. Confirm by clicking on Clear Now or Clear Browsing Data. After the cache is cleared, refresh the Lalal.ai website or restart your browser. Clearing the cache can help fix loading issues and ensure the latest version of Lalal.ai loads properly. And that's it. Now you know how to clear Lalal.ai browser cache. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.